Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a Facebook page event. So let's go to the Facebook page first. You have to log into your Facebook page, not your Facebook ID or normal regular ID. How you can check this? You have to go to this profile icon or account. Then you'll find here your Facebook name and the Facebook page name. You have to click on Facebook page name, and then it will switch to your Facebook page account from your regular Facebook account. Then you have to click on this dashboard, professional dashboard. Click on this and then scroll down and you'll find here events. Click on events, then scroll down a bit and you'll find here create event. Click on create event. Now you can name your event any event you want. The event time, the date is event date here. You can start, the time is here. You can start the date, event time, and you can, if you want in virtual or in person, you choose any event. And then Facebook live, external link, you can add your external link here. And after that, all you have to just click on, before creating event you have to write here what you want to add, like your event description. Okay, now you have to click on create event. If you click on create event, the event will be created and it will start within the times what you have set the time. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.